What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Batman. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with a curved line across for the top of his head, and then at the sides I'm gonna add a triangular shape right there, and on the left side on the outer point there I'm gonna extend it down, and in the middle point of the face I'm gonna make it slightly outwards and then turn it back in as you go down, and then I'm gonna turn it in some more at the jawline right there, and I'm gonna draw across a line for the lower part of the chin, and then I'm gonna go back up with the diagonal line at the right corner right there, and then straight up and then turn to the right, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the center of the portion there with the diagonal line, and then I'm gonna go back up on the left side right here, and we're gonna turn it back down, straight down, and then the diagonal turn back to the chin. Now on the right ear I'm gonna draw another triangular shape right there, and then I'm gonna extend the point downwards, and we're gonna make it slightly out in the middle point right there, and I'm gonna extend this down to the neck, and I'm gonna turn it outwards to the shoulders and slightly straight at this point, and I'm gonna do a semicircle turn right there. Now for his face I'm gonna take a middle point here and draw a semicircle turn, and then I'm gonna turn it with a curved line up at the eyebrow, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn to the side, and then for his eyes on the top line I'm gonna draw quite a straight line across, and on the bottom we're gonna do a semicircle line right there, and below that I'm gonna draw another semicircle line. Now for the left eye we're gonna do a similar shape as well, and in the middle of the nose I'm gonna draw a line. And now for his mouth I'm gonna draw across a wavy line from this point right here, going up and down in the middle and going back up and down to the side. And in the lower portion of the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line across and another curved line across upside down below that. Now on the left side of his face I'm gonna draw a curved line out and then straight out, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn similar to the right side, and then I'm gonna take that point and draw a curved line to the center, going down and then straight to the side and then back down in the center, and we're gonna mirror that shape on the right side as well. Now for his shoulder I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at that corner, and the same goes to the right side, and below that I'm gonna draw another semicircle line, and for the inner line of the arm I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down, and below that another curved line, and the same goes to the outer line of the arm. And then on top, right below the elbow, I'm gonna draw a semicircle corner right there, and the outer line, I'm gonna draw a curved line down. Then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back in and up. Then I'm gonna make a turn sideways, down, and then back to the inner line of the arms right there. And then I'm gonna turn it downwards to the wrist and a curved line for the outer line. And then at the wrist, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, outwards, and then back down at the outer line point right there. And then for his fingers, I'm gonna draw his thumb with a curved line out and down. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up to the side. And then for the fist, I'm gonna draw a line there and a short line inside. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn to the side. And then we're gonna repeat that again. And at this corner, I'm gonna extend it all the way to the right side of the wrist. And above the finger, I'm gonna draw a circle. Every finger right there. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and a curved line turn out to the side and back up. And then the patterns on his gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and then turn it to the wrist. And for the front part, we're gonna draw a curved line up and then a semicircle turn back down to the side. And then going back to his outfit, I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line down, and then I'm gonna turn it diagonally. And then I'm gonna take this point and draw another curved line down, and then diagonally in, back, and down. And then for the back line, back part of his outfit, I'm gonna draw a curved line in and straight down. And then around his waist, I'm gonna draw his pockets. So we're gonna draw a rectangular shape at this corner right here. And then I'm gonna draw a line across up on this upper portion right there. And in the middle, I'm gonna add a circle. I'm gonna repeat that shape at the side, but it's gonna be thinner and a thin rectangular shape at that side right there. Now I'm gonna repeat the whole thing and mirror it on the left side as well. Now for his buckle, I'm gonna draw from the side point of this point right here and draw a diagonal line to the center, and the same goes to the bottom side right there and the right side as well. And then in the middle, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape, but I'm gonna leave the sides with a gap right there. And I'm gonna add a rectangular shape here with this inner line open, and we're gonna add those lines at the side, and in the middle a line across. Now below the belt point, I'm gonna draw from this point right here a curved line down to the knee. And the same goes to the right side here. It's gonna be going out at the center point and back in at the lower point. And I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this point, and I'm gonna draw the inner line of his thigh going down to the knee right there. And for his kneecap, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on the side and across a straight line in the middle, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a curved line, a semicircle line down, and a diagonal line for the inner line here. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle point at the bottom, and on top in the middle of the knee pad I'm gonna draw a line down and a curving to the center on both sides. And then at the bottom part of the kneecap I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center, and at the side I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down, and in the middle point here I'm gonna draw a curved line across. So we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now below the knee point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and going out below the knee and back straight down as you reach the boots. And on the top point of the boots, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line for the lower point here, and it goes up to the center on both sides. And on both sides there, I'm gonna draw a line down to the ankle point, and it's gonna be tighter at the ankle point, and I'm gonna flare out below the ankle point, and then a semicircle on both sides right there, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line and a straight line on both sides and another curved line below that. I'm gonna do a similar thing to a similar shape to the left side as well, but it's gonna be sideways on the left. So what we're gonna do is, for the front part, I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the front and a semicircle turn down, and the heels are gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna join the front and the back with a curved line across, and then a short line in front and the back, and I'm gonna trace the same line across again for the lower part of the boots. Now going back to his left arm, I'm gonna draw a similar shape to the hands on the right there, and the gauntlet as well. And in the middle of his outfit, in the middle of his chest there, I'm gonna draw the bed sign. So we're gonna draw a curved line at the corner right here, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line to the head of the logo, and then I'm gonna turn up and make a sharp turn back down in the center, and I'm gonna draw across a line right there. And then we're gonna draw a curved line for the lower point here to that point, and then another curved line, semicircle line to the center point right there. And then I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side. And for his cape, I'm gonna draw from the shoulder point right here, a curved line down and out, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle shape along the lower side of the cape, and all the way to the back. And then at the lower point here, I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the right side of the cape. Now I'm gonna add a few lines on his outfit, so I'm gonna draw one around the shoulder here on both sides, and then along his arms all the way to the gauntlet right there, and about at the side of his shoulder, and then beneath the bat sign, a curved line across on the side, and then I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center right there, and a line down from that pointy shape, and then we're gonna branch to the side with a diagonal line, and from the belt point there down to the center of the outfit, and this line is gonna continue up to the side of the outfit, and at his pants we're gonna draw a line, diagonal line down, and then turn it towards the knee pad right there, and mirror that on this side as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.